Hi everyone, welcome to Idea Board video classes. In previous video, we discussed a few problems in exercise 10.2. Today, I am going to explain the rest of the problems. See question number 9. The vertices of triangle PQR are P point coordinates 2, 1, Q point coordinates minus 2, 3 and R point coordinates 4, 5. Find equation of median through the vertex R. Vertices of a triangle are given. We need equation of median passing through the vertex R. First draw a triangle. Suppose P, Q, R are the vertices of a triangle. P point coordinates are 2, 1. Q point coordinates are minus 2, 3. R point coordinates are 4, 5. We need the equation of median passing through the vertex R. Now what is the definition of median? The line joining of any vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side is called a median. Suppose M is the midpoint of the side PQ. Connect the vertex R with this midpoint M. Now, this is the median passing through the vertex R. We need the equation of the median passing through the vertex R. First, calculate the midpoint coordinates of the side PQ. What is the formula for midpoint? X1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. In general, sum of x coordinates divided by 2, sum of y coordinates divided by 2. Calculate the coordinates of M. Let M equals to midpoint of side PQ. Now this equals to sum of x coordinates divided by 2. That is a 2 plus minus 2 divided by 2. 1 plus 3 divided by 2. So sum of x coordinates divided by 2, sum of y coordinates divided by 2. Now this equals to 2 minus 2 divided by 2. It is a 4 divided by 2. So 0 divided by 2, 0, 4 divided by 2, 2. So midpoint M equals to 0, 2. So this point coordinates are 0, 2. We need the equation of Rm. So apply 2-point form formula on the points 4, 5 and 0, 2. Equation of a straight line passing through the points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So use that 2-point form formula on the points R and M. So first take the point R. Let R equals to 4, 5. Denote this point coordinates with x1, y1. M point coordinates are 0, 2. Denote this point with x2, y2. So equation of median through the vertex R is y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now substitute the corresponding values in this formula. Y minus y1, y minus 5 equals to y2 minus y1, 2 minus 5, that is minus 3, x2 minus x1, 0 minus 4, minus 4 into x minus x1. What is the value of x1? 4. Now here this negative sign will be cancelled. Y minus 5 equals to 3 by 4 into x minus 4. Now do the cross multiplication. So 4 into y, 4y, minus 4 into 5, 20, equals to 3 into x, 3x, minus 3 into 4, 12. Now bring these two terms from LHS to RHS. That is 3x minus 4y, it will be plus 20 minus 12, that is plus 8, equals to 0. So therefore, equation of the median passing through the vertex R is 3x minus 4y plus 8 equals to 0. Now come to the next problem. Find the equation of the line passing through a point minus 3 comma 5 and perpendicular to line passing through the points 2 comma 5 and minus 3 comma 6. First draw a rough diagram related to given data. Suppose it is a straight line passing through the points 2 comma 5 and minus 3 comma 6. Denote this point with A and denote this point with B. Find the equation of a line passing through the point minus 3 comma 5 and perpendicular to line passing through the points 2 comma 5 and minus 3 comma 6. Suppose this is the point minus 3 comma 5. Now draw a perpendicular from the point minus 3 comma 5 onto the line AB. Now denote this point with P. Now take this point as Q. Now clearly this PQ line is perpendicular to the line AB. We need the equation of a straight line passing through the point minus 3 comma 5 and perpendicular to line passing through the points 2 comma 5 and minus 3 comma 6. First calculate the slope of line AB. What is the formula for to calculate slope of this line AB? Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That is difference of y coordinates divided by difference of x coordinates. Write down the slope of line AB. First let A equals to 2 comma 5, B equals to minus 3 comma 6. Slope of line AB equals to difference of y coordinates divided by difference of x coordinates, that is 6 minus 5 divided by minus 3 minus 2. Now this equal to 1 divided by minus 5, which is same as minus 1 divided by 5. Slope of line AB is minus 1 divided by 5. From the diagram, the line PQ is perpendicular to the line AB. If two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes is minus 1. If two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes is -1. Slope of line AB is -1/5. Therefore, slope of line PQ is 5 because product of their slopes is -1. So, slope of line AB -1/5. Slope of line PQ is 5. Now, this slope value 5. Now, denote the slope value with M. Now, denote these coordinates with x1, y1. So, equation of the line passing through the point P is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Clearly, this line passing through the point -3, 5 and slope of this line will be 5. So, use slope point form. Slope point form means y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So, write down the equation of the line PQ. Slope of line PQ is m equals to 5. Now denote the coordinates of the point -3, 5 with x1, y1. So therefore, equation of a line passing through x1, y1 and having slope m is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1, what is the value of y1? 5 equals to m. M value 5 into x minus x1. What is the value of x1? -3. So this is y minus 5 equals to 5 into x plus 3. Again y minus 5 equals to multiply these two terms with this constant 5. So 5x plus 15. So bring these two terms from LHS to RHS. So from this 5x minus y, it is 15 plus 5, 20. So therefore, required equation of the line is 5x minus y plus 20 equals to 0. Come to the next problem. A line perpendicular to the line segment joining the points 1, 0 and 2, 3 divides it in the ratio 1:n. Find the equation of the line. See once again, a line perpendicular to the line segment joining the points 1, 0 and 2, 3 divides it in the ratio 1:n. Find the equation of the line. First, draw a rough diagram related to given data. First, take a line segment. Suppose this is a line segment. Line segment joining the points 1, 0, 2, 3. Now denote this point with A, denote this point with B. So this is the line segment AB. Now draw a perpendicular line to this line segment AB. Now, what is your given problem? A line perpendicular to line segment joining the points 1, 0 and 2, 3. Now, this line is perpendicular to the line segment AB. Suppose, denote this point with P, take this point with Q. Now here, this line is perpendicular to the line segment AB. Now how to calculate equation of line PQ? So this is the required equation. So we need equation of line PQ. From the diagram, the line PQ divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:n. By given data, the line joining the points P and Q divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:n, which is same as the point Q divides AB in the ratio 1:n. The point Q divides AB in the ratio 1:n. First use a section formula, then calculate the coordinates of the point Q. Now denote this point A coordinates with x1, y1. Denote the coordinates of B with x2, y2. What is the given ratio? 1:n. That means from the point A to Q, 1, from the point Q to B, n. So Q divides AB in the ratio 1:n internally. So use section formula. So let A equals to 1, 0 is equals to x1, y1. B equals to 2, 3. Denote this point with x2, y2. Ratio equals to m is to n, that equals to 1:n. So Q point coordinates can be taken as mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Substitute the corresponding values in this formula. Now this equals to m. What is your m value? 1 into x2. x2 is 2 plus n. n value is same as n into x1. x1 value 1 divided by m plus n. That should be 1 plus n. m into y2. m value 1, y2 value 3 plus n value n into y1. y1 value 0 divided by 1 plus n. So this equals to, it is a 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n. This point coordinates are y coordinate value 3 divided by 1 plus n. So therefore Q point coordinates are 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n, comma 3 divided by 1 plus n. If you look at the diagram, this line segment AB is perpendicular to PQ. First calculate the slope of line AB. What is slope of line segment AB? What is the formula? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So slope of line segment AB is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So difference of y coordinates divided by difference of x coordinates. So it should be 3. Now if you look at the diagram, the line segment AB is perpendicular to PQ. If two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes is -1. If two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes is -1. Slope of line segment AB is 3. So slope of required line is -1 divided by 3. So slope of line PQ is -1 divided by 3. Already we have the coordinates of the point Q. So take the coordinates of the point Q and take the slope m is -1 by 3. Use slope point form. That is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. We will get the equation of the line PQ. Now write down the line PQ. Therefore, equation of line PQ is, use slope point form formula, y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. This is the point x1, y1. So y minus y1, 3 divided by 1 plus n equals to, slope of this line is minus 1 divided by 3. So minus 1 by 3 into x minus x1. x1 value 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n. Now simplify this one. LCM in the LHS part, 1 plus n. This is 1 plus n into y minus 3 equals to minus 1 by 3 into LCM 1 plus n. This is 1 plus n into x minus 2 plus n. Now cancel the constant term n plus 1 in the denominator. Then multiply this equation on both sides with a constant 3. This is a 3 into 1 plus n into y minus 3 into 3 minus 9 equals to, multiply these two terms with this negative sign. This is a minus of 1 plus n into x minus into minus plus 2 plus n. Now bring this negative sign term from RHS to LHS and bring this negative sign term from LHS to RHS. So 1 plus n into x plus 3 into 1 plus n into y equals to, this is 2 plus n plus 9. So that should be n plus 11. So therefore, required equation of the line is 1 plus n into x plus 3 into 1 plus n into y equals to n plus 11. Now come to the next question. Find the equation of a line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passes through the point 2, 3. Find the equation of a line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and the line passing through the point 2, 3. First draw a rough diagram related to given data. First draw the coordinate axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is origin. Now draw a line. Suppose this line cuts the x-axis at a point a, 0 and y-axis at a point 0, b, then a is called x-intercept of this line, b is called y-intercept of this line. If you denote this point with a, denote this point with b, if a line cuts the x-axis at a, 0 and y-axis at the point 0, b, then a is called x-intercept of line AB, b is called y-intercept of line AB. Now this required line passing through the point 2, 3. Now we need this line equation. To find out the equation of line AB, what is the given condition? This line makes equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. It means x-intercept value is equals to y-intercept value. It means A equals to B. First write down the given condition. Let x-intercept equals to A, y-intercept equals to B. So by given data, x-intercept value is equals to y-interceptor. So A equals to B. So this is the required line. This line makes equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. So A equals to B. Equation of a line having x-intercept A and y-intercept B is x divided by A plus y divided by B equals to 1, which is also called intercept form. So first write down the equation of line AB. Equation of a line in the intercept form is x divided by A plus y divided by B equals to 1. Here B is equals to A. So x divided by A plus y divided by A equals to 1. Here we are noting equation of line AB and the required equation of line AB passing through the point 2, 3. So substitute this point in this line equation. So since the above line passes through the point 2, 3. So substitute x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. So it is 2 divided by A plus 3 divided by A equals to 1. So from this 5 divided by A equals to 1. What is the value of A? 5. Here A equals to B. So B value is also equals to 5. So A value 5, B value 5. Substitute the values of A and B in this equation. We get x divided by 5 plus y divided by 5 equals to 1. So therefore, write down the conclusion. Required equation of line AB is, or required equation of line is x divided by 5 plus y divided by 5 equals to 1. Multiply this equation on both sides with a constant 5. It is x plus y equals to 5. So required equation of line is x plus y equals to 5. Now come to the next problem. Find the equation of the line passing through the pointer 2, 2 and cutting off intercepts on the coordinate axis whose sum is 9. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 2, 2 and cutting off intercepts on the coordinate axis whose sum is 9. First draw a rough diagram related to given data. Suppose this is x-axis, this is a y-axis. Point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is a origin. Now draw a line. Suppose this line cuts the x-axis at a point a comma 0. This line cuts the y-axis at a point 0 comma b. Then A is called x-intercept of this line, B is called y-intercept of this line. Now here what is the given condition? Sum of the intercepts is 9. It means x-intercept plus y-intercept value is equals to 9. That is A plus B is equals to 9. First write down the given condition. Let x-intercept equals to A, y-intercept equals to B. So given condition sum of the intercepts is 9. So by given data, sum of the intercepts, that is x intercept plus y intercept is 9. So from this b equals to 9 minus a. For this line, x intercept is a, y intercept is b. Equation of a line having x intercept a and y intercept b is x divided by a plus y divided by b equals to 1. Now write down this line equation. Equation of line in intercept form is x divided by a plus y divided by b equals to 1. Now in place of b, substitute 9 minus a. It is x divided by a plus y divided by 9 minus a equals to 1. So we are noting this line equation. So this line equation is x divided by a plus y divided by 9 minus a equals to 1. Now one more condition is given in your problem, that is required equation of the line passing through the pointer 2 comma 2. So this line passing through a pointer 2 comma 2. Now substitute the point 2 comma 2 in this line equation. So write down x equals to 2, y equals to 2. Since the above line passes through the pointer 2 comma 2, substitute x equals to 2, y equals to 2. It should be 2 divided by a plus 2 divided by 9 minus a equals to 1. Now what is the LCM? A into 9 minus a. So a into 9 minus a. This is a 2 into 9 minus a, that is 18 minus 2a plus 2 into a equals to 1. Now here minus 2a and plus 2a will be cancelled. Then do the cross multiplication. Now do the cross multiplication. 18 equals to a into 9 minus a. 18 equals to, this is a 9a minus a square. Now bring these two terms from RHS to LHS. A square minus 9a plus 18 equals to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation in terms of a. Write down the factors. It is a square minus 9a can be taken as a minus 3a minus 6a. So minus 9a can be taken as a minus 3a minus 6a plus 18 equals to 0. Now from the first two terms, take the common factor a. This is a into a minus 3. From the third term and fourth term, take the common factor minus 6. So minus 6 into a minus 3 equals to 0. Again take the common factor a minus 3. So a minus 3 into a minus 6 equal to 0. So it is product AB equals to 0 form. It means either A equals to 0 or B equals to 0. So a minus 3 equals to 0 or a minus 6 equals to 0. So from this a equals to 3 or a equals to 6. Now a value is 3. If a value is 3, then what is the value of b? Previously you are applying a condition, sum of the intercepts is 9. That is a plus b is equals to 9, b equals to 9 minus a. In that equation, write down a value 3, b equals to 9 minus a. So a value 3, so this is a 9 minus 3, 6. So if A is equals to 3, then B equals to 6. Now take the other value of A. If A equals to 6, then B equals to 9 minus A. It is a 9 minus 6, 3. So take A equals to 3 and B equals to 6. Write down the equation of the line. Then take A equals to 6, B equals to 3. Then write down the equation of line. So write down the conclusion part. So required equations of lines are here x-intercept value 3, y-intercept value 6. Equation of the line will be x by a plus y by b equals to 1. X-intercept a value 3, y-intercept b value 6. Line equation x by a plus y by b equals to 1. This is one answer. Another equation x-intercept value 6, y-intercept value 3. Equation of the line is x by a, x by 6 plus y divided by b, that is y by 3 equals to 1. Now multiply this equation on both sides with a constant 6. This is a 2x plus y equals to 6. Again multiplying this equation is also with a constant 6. This is x plus 2y equals to 6. So therefore required equations of the lines are 2x plus y equals to 6 and x plus 2y equals to 6.